Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to do keyword research for YouTube channel. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. So let's get started. Think back to the last time you wanted to know something, you headed straight to Google. Think about this. What did you do the last time we wanted to learn how to do something? You had to change a switch on your dishwasher, apply your makeup in new trendy way, cook a dish so far outside of your comfort zone if needed a safe word. You're probably headed to YouTube instead, and you are not alone. 5 billion videos are consumed daily on YouTube. YouTube is a marketer's paradise with so many potential viewers. Your target audience is bound to be searching for how to videos and more to make sure your ads get in front of your audience. So you need video SEO and keyword research on your site. Why you need keyword research for YouTube? It's simple. Video marketing is too expensive to know not to be strategic as possible about what you're creating, how you are distributing it. You need every possible ads you can get for your video marketing to keep costs low and your ROI high, and for that, keyword research could be different between your marketing efforts amounting to a scream into the void or a roaring success. This strategical research, coupled with a commitment to quality, help run e-commerce businesses grow their channel to 3 million subscribers, and brain drain of backlink core help cover expand their YouTube channel by 59% in 30 days with YouTube SEO. Here are the three ways to do SEO and keyword research for your YouTube videos. Number one is leverage free YouTube keyword research tool. A regular SEO has a lot of development, competition, and initiative tools so designed to make out as much of the work as possible. YouTube SEO is not quite that advanced yet, but even though the field is considerably smaller than are some tools made by especially for YouTube keyword research, and a lot of them are not on the cheap side. Number two is install Chrome plugin for competitive research. YouTube keyword research has a lot in common with your brick and mortar keyword research in that your competitive is one of your top resources for finding relevant terms to target. In if a competitor video is ranking, then you have already done the work. Your computation has figured out what tags, thumbnails, and titles help attract skills and clicks in turn get the algorithm goods to smile on them. YouTube's algorithm is nothing of its mythical Greek Python mythical but mythical not nonetheless. Unfortunately, YouTube tags are not exactly easy to spot. These tags are terms where that you can tag to your videos so they function the same way as keyword do on these spoiler. This was a trick. You can find them because tags are not displayed on the default, as while there are some complicated digging into HTML per methods for finding them. Number three is use autocomplete to find long tail keyword. If you have worked SEO blog or even just past it, you probably know that long tail keyword is beloved. Long tail keyword are cheaper to rank for, have competition, and targeted more qualified leads than heads. Terms how to do these keyword target better leads. Often long tails coincide with capturing users when they are in the later stage for the marketing funnel. Shorter, more competitive terms like men's clothing might target someone still in the awareness phase, just beginning their search or just looking for information. But long tail keyword like great tweet spot called Brooks Brother and Man a Little Bean with good spoiler, a slipper brown, or more likely to grab someone in the interest stage or the later. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get latest videos, and also get a lot of earning on your YouTube channel. So thank you so